everyone and welcome back to Next Stitch Designs with me, Sylvia. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet this perfect flat circle, which can be used for many crochet projects. For today's crochet circle, I will be using Aran weight yarn and also 5mm hook. You will also need a pair of scissors, a yarn needle and a tape measure. First, we are going to create a magic ring. Hold your yarn and like so, wrap it around your two fingers and create a cross. Go under this first one, on top of the second one, pull it down and twist your hook. Go under this one here and pull through the loop you had on your hook. Now we have our magic ring and a chain of 1. I am going to chain 2 more to have chain of 3, and this chain of 3 will count as our first double crochet. Now we are going to place 11 more double crochet inside this magic ring, and this chain of 3 is counting as our first one, so altogether we will have 12 double crochet. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, bring it up 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. So you will continue like so. And if you are using a thinner yarn, you may need to place more double crochet inside the magic ring. If you are using a thicker yarn, you will place less double crochet inside your magic ring. So you will be placing double crochet all the way around until the first one and the last double crochet are very close to each other, and your circle is still lying flat once you are done with your double crochet. So continue placing like this, and once you are halfway, you are going to pull this yarn end to close it completely. And now you will see if you have enough double crochet. So I will finish this last one, and as you can see, my last one and my first one are really very close to each other and it's not curling up. So it means that you have enough double crochet inside your magic ring. Now if you are using thinner yarn, you may place more. If you are using thicker yarn, you may need less double crochet. Just make sure you're placing as many as you need. And once you are done, we are going to slip stitch on top of this chain of 3 like so to close our round 1. And you can tell you had enough double crochet inside your magic ring because once you slip stitched, your circle is not curling up. It's lying nice and flat like this. So again, if you are using thinner yarn, you just need to place more double crochet inside your magic ring. If you are using thicker yarn, you will place less. Just make sure it's lying down flat once you slip stitch and close your round 1. So this was our round 1 and we have altogether 12 double crochet. Now I started with 12 double crochet, so we will be increasing each round by 12. But if you have started with 6 double crochet inside your magic ring, each round will be increased by 6. So for round 2 we are going to chain 3, and again this chain of 3 is counting as our first double crochet. In this round 2, you will be working 2 double crochet in each stitch around. So with this chain of 3 coming from, we will place 1 more double crochet into the same place. So we have 2 double crochet into the same place or stitch, and we will do so in every stitch around. So in this round 2 you will have 2 double crochet in each stitch around, and we will increase again by 12 for this round 2. So every time I say increase, it means 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Now, if I would start my round 1 with 6 stitches, my second round would have 12 stitches because I would increase again by 6. So let's continue this round 2 as I have started with 12 double crochet in this first round. In this second round I will have 24. So I have my first increase in this first stitch. Now I am going to find this next stitch, which is this one here, and I will place 2 double crochet into the one or my second increase. And you will continue like so in every stitch around. So you will work your increase in each stitch around. Increase means 2 double crochet in each stitch around for this round 2. So continue like so all the way around. And of course, don't forget to count your stitches. So in this round 2, you should have 24 stitches. And I am finishing this round 2. And I have last few stitches. As you can see, this is my last increase here. And now for this round 2, you should have 24 stitches. So don't forget to count your stitches before you close your round. So slip stitch on top of this chain of 3 like so. Insert and work your slip stitch to close your round 2. And if it curls a little bit, it's still perfectly normal for your circle. Now for round 3, we are going to chain 3, and again this chain of 3 is counting as your first double crochet. Now for this round 3, we will work increase, and when we say increase, it means 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So where is this chain of 3 coming from? That will be our first increase. Once we place 1 more double crochet, then into the next stitch you will work only 1. Into the next stitch you will work 2. So you will work 2 1 2 1. So increase here, and in every stitch you will work 2 1 2 1 all the way around, repeating like so. So where is the chain of 3 coming from? Into the same place I will place 1 more double crochet to create my first increase. Now I will find the next stitch, which is right here, stretched a little bit, but don't miss it. Into the next stitch I will work only 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch I will work my increase, which means 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Into the next one 1, and so on. So you will work 2 1 2 1 all the way around for this round 3, and we will increase by 12 again. So in this round 3 you should have 36 stitches, 1 to go all the way around. So we have 2 1 2 1 2 1 in this round 3. Once you are somewhere here, I show you how to finish this round 3. And I am finishing my round 3, and I have my last stitch here, and now I will slip stitch on top of this chain of 3 like so, and work your slip stitch and chain 3 for round 4. And this chain of 3 is counting as our first double crochet for this round 4. Now we are going to place 1 more double crochet into the same place to create our first increase for this round 4. Now for this round 4 we will work increase, and into the next stitch we will place only 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch we will place only 1 double crochet. So we will have increase and then 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and we will repeat so all the way around. So we will have 2 1 1 2 1 1 all the way around for this round 4, like this. So I have increase and then 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So again, increase like here. So we had increase, and then 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and so on. So you will repeat like so all the way around. Once you come to your start, I show you how to finish this round 4, and for this round 4 you should have 48 stitches. So we are increasing by 12 each round, and again I am finishing this round 4, and I have 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Now slip stitch on top of this chain of 3 to close your round like so. Chain 3, and we are ready to start round 5. For round 5, again we chain 3, and this chain of 3 is counting as our first double crochet. Now we will place one more into the same place where is the chain of 3 coming from to create our first increase. Increase means 2 double crochet into the same place. Now for this round 5, we will work 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches and then increase, and we will repeat like so all the way around. So we will have 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. So 2 double crochet into the same place, increase, and then 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and so on. So you will repeat like so all the way around for this round 5. Continue like so. Once you come to your start, I show you how to finish this round 5. So I am finishing this round 5. This is my increase here, and now I will place 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches like so, and slip stitch on top of this chain of 3. So 1, 2, and 3, slip stitch like so, and round 5 is completed. Chain 3 to get ready for the next round. And now you can see the technique we are using. So we are increasing by 12 because we started our first round with 12 double crochet. So this next round would be increase and then 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Then the next round will be increase and then 1 double crochet into the next 5 stitches. So you will have always one more stitch between your increases for each round. And with this crochet circle, you can create so many projects. You can do blankets, cardigans, hats, bags, and many more. Just use your imagination and design it your way using this double crochet circle. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like it, share it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unique Stitch Designs for more ideas from me, Sylvia. And please don't forget to find me on social medias. I am on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you very much for watching.